efficient, precise, reliable. This is ROCHO induction heating for forging. Watch the process in action. Our 200 kilowatts induction heating system rapidly heats each steel bar, ensuring uniform temperature distribution. The automated conveyor ensures seamless material flow, improving efficiency and consistency. Compared to traditional heating methods, induction heating reduces material waste, cuts energy consumption, and minimizes environmental impact, all while improving forging quality. ROCHO induction heating systems are trusted by industries worldwide. From automotive to heavy machinery, we provide customized solutions for every forging need. Looking for precision heating solutions? Contact ROCHO Induction today.